Tutorial number 2, Viewing Current Progress. Starting from the Southeast Community College Student Planning homepage, select My Progress from the drop-down. Academics, Student Planning, Planning Overview, My Progress. Or select Student Planning, go to My Progress. You should see your program of study listed here at the top of the My Progress tab. If your specific area of study is not listed, please verify your program of study by contacting the admissions office. Contact information can be found in the video description. When considering a change of program, use the View a New Program option to see how your existing credits might apply toward program completion and what requirements exist for that newly selected program. The Progress bar shows you your overall progress towards the program selected. Your progress towards the minimum number of SCC credits required to graduate in your specific program is shown here in the second bar. Transfer students must complete a minimum of 1/3 of their program requirements at SCC to be eligible for graduation. Final program completion must be verified by your program of study in conjunction with the registration office. In the requirements section, you can view specific core classes, electives, and general education requirements required for your selected program of study. A summary of each program requirement is displayed along with the number of courses completed. The grid view details the courses that meet the requirement. To expand or hide the grid detail on each requirement, click Show or Hide. Any course that is not yet started displays in red. Planned courses display in yellow. Completed courses display in green. Other courses lists any completed or planned course that does not apply to your specific degree requirements. Any question on why a course is or is not used for a specific degree requirement should be directed to your program advisor or campus registration office.